Alright, so what's going on, guys? Welcome back here to another video. In today's video, we are fishing some freshwater canal systems here once again. The last 2 times I've been out for bass this week, I've done great. So hopefully today it's nothing but the same. I'm gonna hit up a new system here that I haven't fished before. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the launch spot. It's kind of sketchy. It's off a bank, but luckily we got the kayaks today and we could get in there no problem at all. That's the good thing about fishing off kayaks. You could basically launch out of anywhere. Anywhere there's an access point, you could basically drag your kayak down in there and get in the water. So that's what we're looking to do today. Hopefully we catch some fish, and yeah, we'll see what's out there. So let's go ahead and get these kayaks unloaded, and then we'll hit the water. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and show you the launch spot right here. So as you can see, we're going to be launching down in here into this canal system. So it is not too bad. Definitely done worse. But yeah, so we're planning on getting the kayaks down in here and off to do some fishing. Ooh, I just heard some fish pop over there. So it's going to be pretty good. Guys, so we have made it in the water here now. We're gonna work our way out. See some docks up here, so we're gonna go ahead and try that out first, and then we're gonna go out and head out to the main body of water. So first of all, I'm gonna start off with a little Cinco and see if that could pull anything out of those docks there. I bet we'll catch some. Oh, there's 3 docks, like good docks there. Fish on. Oh, Cinco, dude. Oh, saw that blow up? Oh. Fish on. Right there. First bass right there, Holmes. First bass, check it out. Nice little one right here. All right. Perfect start to the morning right here. Nice little bass here. Oh, nice little largemouth. Going for the release. Alright guys, so far we've been doing pretty good with the Cinco. We've gotten about 3 hits already. Mostly smalls, but we'll keep working the Cinco back in this corner here and see what else we could find. Fish on. Little guy, another little one on the Cinco. Another little one. All right. Fish on. Another little one. They need to grow. Catching a lot of these little ones. Another little one right there. Bro, that's number 6 for me. Number 7. Another one right here. Woo! Oh my God, barely hooked. Right there, another one. Fish on. Oh, tiny. Another small one right here. They are stacked up in this little corner back here, guys. All right, there you go, another small one. And then he has Hobies. He has a Hobie. Oh man, missed that. No, fish on. That's a decent one. This is a little bit better. A little bit better. A little bit better. A little bit better. Whew. Right there. Fish on. Dude, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good bass. Coming up. Good bass right there. Look at that. Nice little bass right there. Not too bad. Probably the biggest one of the morning so far. Alright guys, going for the release. Ooh. Oh yeah, fish on. Ah, nice little one. Nice little one right there. So we just made it out of the water here. It was a perfect day out there. We only fished for about 3 hours or so, and we loaded up on the bass. Most of them came off of the Cinco. Actually, that was almost the only bait I was throwing all day. I did switch over and threw a Texas rig, just straight up worm. I did that for a little bit, but went back to the Cinco. The Cinco was the one producing all the bites. No big ones today, but we were able to catch a bunch of small ones. It ended up being almost 30 bass within almost 3 hours. So the bite was great. And like I said, all week long, the bite here has been incredible. The bass are definitely chewing. They are out there feeding. And the weather has been perfect. It's nice and cloudy, so makes for a perfect day out on the water. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. As always, make sure to leave comments in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.